sa 11 registered air assets ni Congressman Zaldico, which I will show you today. So, total of 4.7 billion pesos value of air assets ni Congressman Zaldico registered to various companies outlined here. So first, under Misibis by the under Misibis Aviation, this is all in US dollars. Ito po yung mga iba't ibang mga assets ng mga eroplano at chopper. Next is High Tone Construction Development Corporation, also I think connected to Congressman Zaldico, and also QM Builder, I think ano ba to? Kapatid ba ito o ano? I don't know, basta related to that, no? Ito po ang example ng mga helicopter at air assets na ang total po nito ay 4.7, total value is close to 5 billion pesos or 4.7 billion pesos. So we have also written the AMLC, the